Hey, what's up guys, Brother Sean here. So in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you how to spray paint an object. In this case, this is apart from my motorbike's body. It's the spoiler kind of thingy from the back. So what we are going to do is we are going to be spray painting that. And also while doing that, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks that you should do while spray painting it. So here I've got my little setup here. So I just cut open a box and I just rounded it so that after when I paint it with a layer, there is no leaflets or dust or debris will be flying here. And also I'm going to be putting something on top after I'm done. So here we have our object. We have a spray paint. This is a Anchor spray paint. This is a gold color. The code number is T065. And also we have a flat black color here. This is also Anchor spray paint, and the code number is 29. I'm sorry, this is 808. The code number is 808. It's a gold color. Also we have a washing shampoo. This is a normal car wash shampoo. So what we are supposed to do is we have to, for this case, this is a metal. So what we have to do is we have to take off the previous color from the object. In this case, I've already spray painted it once black, so I took it off. I just used this sandpaper and I scrub it off. So but honestly I didn't do a very good job, but whatever, I'm just still going to spray paint it anyways. So once you do that, you make sure you wash it. So you wash it with any type of shampoo that you wash a bike with. So it doesn't really matter. So just we have to make sure that there is no other debris or dust still sticking on it while we spray paint, or else it's not gonna be good. So let me just wash it and I'll be right back. Okay, so while we are waiting for that thing to dry, I want to show you guys some tips and tricks on spray painting. So I have this I don't know what this called, a stick here, and I'm going to show you guys how to actually paint it. So I'm going to take my flat black spray here, and let me just open it. Okay, so we have our spray paint here, and the first thing that you have to always keep in mind is you should always start and stop off the subject. So you cannot be like starting on the subject and finish it off the subject, or you cannot be stopping on the subject. So you need to start here and you need to finish it. So for example, it's like this. You should be doing something like this. Okay. Okay, see, I start and I stop off the subject. Second thing is you want to be consistent with your spraying. So for example, if you get your spray paint, it's advisable to read the directions. For this spray can, we need to be having 20 to 25 cm away from the subject. So for example, you have to be maintaining the 20 to 25 cm length. So if you for example, you change your motion, you are not going to get a good result. So for example, it's like this. See, if you guys can see right here, it's a little bit thick, and right here it's a little bit thin. So you don't want that to happen on your subject. And also, for example, we have to be always consistent with our speed as well. So for example, this is fast and this is slow. So you guys can see that there's a difference here, so you cannot be doing that always. So you can see this is a little bit thick and this part is a little bit thin, so we should not be doing that. We have to be keep all the stuffs in mind, and then we can achieve a good result. Alright, so once we have all our stuffs ready and we have our practice on our spray painting, so we can be starting our spray painting. So for example, this subject, this spoiler thingy, it's actually we have curves and depths and bulge. So is some sort of like a 3D, three-dimensional type of subject. So what do we have to do is we need to be for this type of cases, we need to be spray painting. We need to be spraying from all directions. So for example, from here to here, here to here, diagonally, horizontally, vertically. So in that case, we will be getting the best result. So I've already spray painted it on every possible directions, and I've already covered all the place that I possibly can. This is layer 1 by the way, so let's give it about like 10 to 15 minutes to set the paint, and then we will go for layer 2, and then we will wait for about another 15 to 20 minutes from there, and then we'll proceed to layer 3.